about to step into one right. We about to do this with all the kids, the mothers, fathers, brothers, the sisters. You know the regular
DJ Finesse.
Possibly speak tongue, beat drums, Abyssinian Street Baptist, rap this and fine linen. From the beginning, my practice extending across the atlas. I begat this, flipping in together on the dirty mattress. You can't match this, rapper / actress, more powerful than two Cleopatras. Bomb graffiti on the tomb of Nefertiti. MCs ain't ready to take it to the Serengeti. My rhymes is heavy like the mind of Sister Betty. L Boogie spars with stars and constellations. Then came down for a little conversation. Adjacent to the king, fear no human being. Roll with cherubims to Nassau Coliseum. Now hear this mixture where hip hop meets scripture. Develop a negative into a positive picture. Everything is everything. What is meant to be will be. Meant to be will be. And after winter must come spring. Must come spring. Change it comes eventually. Change comes eventually. Sometimes it seems we'll touch that.